Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I have the oil reservoir for the bar oiler off. I found that the hose is broken on the inside, just crumbled up. It's just decomposed to the point where it no longer will maintain its own integrity. Just pick it up and it fell apart. So now I have a new hose to put on it. When I went down to the parts store, I was able to get a piece of hose. So, along with needing a hose, we've still got the broken bolts. So while I got the tank off, I'm going to go ahead and drill out the broken off bolt, rethread those holes, see if I can't get a bushing in the one that's totally missing, and get this thing back where it's supposed to be. Now this is electrical contact cleaner. Why am I using electrical contact cleaner? Because it doesn't smell. Well, it's got an odor to it, but nowhere near as strong as brake cleaner. Brake cleaner does a good job of flushing things out, but this does too. Looks like we have a hole clean all the way down through there.
we might end up with a hole that's too large. We'll just have to see. This is the proper size tap. It's a 1032. I'd like to have a 1032 bottoming tap. Let's see if I got one in the stack here. That's a 1032 plug tap. And here we have a 1032 bottoming tap. Well, this is a 1032 screw, and it's just barely long enough to reach down in there. And it just started in the threads, so I can't tighten it. But it does go down in there. This is the bolt that came in the saw. Somebody drilled this out and tapped it out to this size bolt. So I'm going to cut off this bolt and use this bolt to make the bushing, because that will go down in there and lock down. Go back to the storeroom, see if I can get a longer one of these. I'm going to need another piece of hose, because this one is for the gas line. Now I'm going to have to get another piece of hose for the oil tank.
have the broken bolt removed from the oil tank, and I have the hole tapped out. And now I have to get a longer bolt. That bolt has got to be about a ½ inch longer than this one. Close. This will catch about 3 threads. That's not enough to hold it in place. So I'm going to go down to the hardware store. I got some other errands to run, and I'll get a bolt, and then we'll see where we go from there. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.